Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set best graphics in LDPlayer, Full Guide 2026, so you can get the best visual quality while keeping smooth performance on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and click the Settings icon. Go to the Display tab. Here, choose a balanced resolution like 1600 by 900 for clear visuals without heavy performance loss. If your PC is lower end, use 1280 by 720 for smoother gameplay. Next, adjust DPI settings. Set DPI to medium or high depending on your screen size. Higher DPI makes games look sharper, but may slightly reduce performance on weaker PCs. Now move to graphics settings. Select OpenGL mode first because it provides better compatibility and stable graphics in most games. If you experience glitches, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer. After that, enable high FPS mode and set frame rate to 60 FPS or higher if your system supports it smoothly. Then open the Performance tab and allocate enough CPU and RAM. Usually, 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM provide the best balance between graphics quality and performance. Next, open Windows Graphics Settings and set LDPlayer to high performance mode so your dedicated GPU handles rendering. Inside your game settings, set graphics quality to high or smooth depending on FPS stability. Disable unnecessary effects if you notice frame drops. Also make sure your graphics drivers and LDPlayer version are fully updated for improved visual performance and compatibility. Finally, restart LDPlayer to apply all graphics changes properly. And that's it. You should now get better visuals with smooth gameplay in LDPlayer. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more LDPlayer tutorials. Thanks for watching. For